very frustrating because I'm out of a car.
Piling on, some cars were crushed, others out of use for days. How the Bayshore collapse is making their owners feel like victims again. And that is our big story tonight at 10, the blame game. When the Bayshore parking garage collapsed back in February, there was relief that nobody was hurt there.
But now the financial relief car owners thought they were getting from Bayshore's insurance company isn't coming. Sam Kramer live in Glendale tonight. Sam, Bayshore says it's not their fault?
That's right. A letter to those affected car owners actually blames the snow removal company. That collapse destroyed 2 cars. It stranded 56 others for a few days before they could come down. And tonight, 2 of those car owners tell us they aren't sure what they'll do next in this situation. That wasn't their fault.
Oh my God.
When part of this parking structure collapsed 2 months ago,
it's been a little bit frustrating.
Chris Bossert thought he dodged a headache. His car was untouched on the top level, but without access to it for almost a week, Bossert rented a car.
All they had left was SUVs. They were $110 a day. But if I don't have a car, I don't get home. I live in West Bend.
The day his car came down, he filed a claim with Bayshore's insurance company, just hoping to recoup his rental costs. But for Brandy Stein,
this is the car completely covered?
The damage
We didn't want to have another car payment.
was so much more.
We quite honestly don't even feel like we can afford that, but we don't have a choice, really.
But they both just learned their claims were denied. In a letter Monday, a third-party insurance adjuster for Bayshore says after an investigation, it was determined that the collapse occurred due to snow being piled up on the upper level of the parking garage. The letter points to the insurance company for Winter Services, LLC, which handles snow removal at Bayshore. In an email to Fox 6 Tuesday, Western National Insurance Group declined comment, saying the investigation is ongoing.
It feels like I don't matter. It feels like what happened to me doesn't matter.
Leaving both drivers still with more questions than answers.
My big fear is that we have 2 insurance companies that are both going to point at each other. And I'm in the middle, kind of as the little guy, saying, well, what can I do here?
Now, we did reach out to Bayshore and Winter Services LLC for comment today, but neither got back to us, and it's unclear when the snow removal company's insurance investigation will be complete. We're live tonight outside Bayshore. Sam Kramer, Fox 6 News.
In the meantime, I know it's not their preferred method, but what about their own insurance companies?
So that's exactly what Brandy Stein is doing. She's recouping some of the costs, but it's not quite even half of the value that she paid for her costs. And I did talk to an independent insurance agent today. He told me that his advice to any of these car owners would be, if you want immediate relief, that's the way you got to go, to your own insurance. But of course, what you'll get back varies on your coverage.
Sam Kramer reporting live. Thanks.